Today I am sharing my Ajio haul featuring stylish quad sets that are perfect for every occasion. So let's dive in. First up is this stunning red trouser and tunic set from Laria Fashion. Made in viscose rayon fabric, it is super breathable and comfy. The bold print of this set is the striking feature, and half-strand collar and ref style detailing make it versatile for travel, work from home days, or just lounging in style. Plus, the long back bodies flatters all body types. What I love most, the tunic's long back bodies. It's stylish, covers the hip area, making it perfect for curvier body types. Paired with matching trousers, it is creating a look which is perfect for days when you want to look good with zero effort. Cord sets are great way to look effortlessly chic. I have styled this beauty with minimal accessories to keep the focus on its prints and cuts. You can style it with flats for a casual vibe or with heels to dress it up. It is absolutely your choice. Up next in my haul is this stylish long kurta set from Laria Fashion. Crafted from soft viscose rayon fabric and the muted print, this set is perfect choice for office wear. The design stands out with its long sleeves, which I have folded for a more relaxed vibe, and a flattering front slit that adds a modern touch. And let's talk about the trousers. The fit is just amazing. They are comfortable yet tailored, giving you the perfect balance of style and ease. I have kept the jewelry minimal to let the outfit shine. For the office ready look, I have paired it with structured handbag and acrylic strap sandals. If you are heading out after work, just switch to statement earrings for a quick day to evening transition. Next in my haul is this bold printed cord set from Laria Fashion, perfect for travel days or when you want to keep it stylish yet comfy. The vibrant pink color and soft viscose rayon fabric makes this outfit dream to wear. It feels so light and airy. The set features a flared short tunic paired with matching flared palazzos, creating a flowy, effortless silhouette. The fall and feel of this outfit are absolutely amazing. It moves with you, adding a elegant vibe to the look. This fabric creates a breezy silhouette which looks chic and perfect for all body types. I have styled this for a travel day with a crossbody bag and pair of oversized sunglasses. Minimal accessories keep the focus on the bold print and you are ready to jet off in style. Now let's talk about versatility. My fourth look is a printed cord set featuring a striking design in high quality polyester fabric. This set is perfect for mixing and matching, and I have styled it in two completely different ways. For the first look, I tucked the shirt in and added a broad brown belt. This simple addition gives it a structured jumpsuit like vibe, ideal for day event or casual outing. Pair it with comfy loafers or strappy sandal and you are good to go. For the second look, I styled the shirt with classic white tailored trousers and a sleek black belt. This combination instantly transforms the outfit into a chic formal look, perfect for a work meeting. Add a heels and minimal jewelry to complete the polished vibe. Saving the best for last, presenting this stunning cord set with a chic peplum top from Stylum. Made in comfortable cotton blend fabric, it features a beautiful grey varley print that's subtle yet striking. The star of this outfit, the unique V neckline at the back that adds a dash of elegance and charm. The addition of pockets in trouser takes the comfort factor up a notch. The flowy silhouette not only enhances the overall look but also ensures maximum comfort, making it a perfect choice for events where you want to look stylish and stay at ease. I have kept the styling minimal to let the outfit shine on its own. That's a wrap on today's haul. From chic prints to versatile silhouettes. We have covered it all. Which look was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I have shared all the products links in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more styling inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish and confident. Bye.